We've just got this piece in, which is quite interesting, and it's very different to what we usually talk about because it's a French Aubusson flat weave, and there aren't many of them with the famous French cockerel. Now, why I think it's interesting is because apart from the fact that it's very finely woven and it's really nice, soft wool, beautiful colors, so beautifully drawn, the definition is really good. It's because I think it's been commissioned by an artist and done by a really high-class weaver. The reason I say that is because of this seal here. I don't really know what it means, but for them to go to the length of putting a seal on a work like this, which is not very big either, would suggest that it's been done by a special commission. That's my opinion. And maybe when you find out who the artist is, this could be worth, I don't know, £10,000. We all dream. But you can have it for much cheaper than that. You can have it for 600.